focus. Absolute
yeah, of course, we're in a tunnel.
Boom.
Made it out.
Hey buddy, you alright? Look at this guy, he's a ball right now. His head looks like the same size as his body right now.
Aww. It's a cute ball.
A huge waist.
你们打是两个。
Yeah. 因为我 I don't remember.
这是一个，然后你讲。
Not for you.
Okay, let's go.
I know, he's the only one barking.
你们就从这边过来，然后可以这边拿。我们叉子再来拿一个。Easy over.
We'll go sunset.
How you want your eggs?
A little crispy.
What do you want?
Crispy.
Crispy.
你要怎样？大家Oh, it's a human-made dam. That's what it is. We are at one of the fishing dams in Hickory Run State Park. There's a lot of people fishing. It's really nice. I'm just submerged in nature. Being at a campsite is a very fun experience because you unplug from work, from whatever you're focused with, and you're there with nature. It's kind of a break from life. I understand why people go to campsites, and it's been really fun. Later, we're heading back and doing a campfire, eating snacks, relaxing. And right now, Ethan is fishing. Hopefully, he catches a fish today. I am feeling a bit hungry, so might get some lunch when we get back. These salmon are holding up really well. Very good. And breathable too, which is nice. Asian squatting here on the dirt. Yee. I think that would make sense.
Either one is fine.
你现在在做什么？
我现在在帮这个把这里我本来
Ooh, 昨天骑的。Found it.
Storage.